Recently, Suzhou Pharma Machinery welcomed a team from an electronic chip research and development company for an exchange visit. Both of us conducted in-depth discussions on core issues such as the design concept, construction standards, and system integration of the cleanroom. The visiting team highly praised our company's comprehensive strength in the field of cleanrooms, and showed particular interest in the systematic solution of Suzhou Pharma's turnkey cleanroom project. This time, it was a group of 4 European clients who came specially to visit our cleanroom sample room located in Suzhou. They conducted on-site inspections and technical exchanges regarding the turnkey cleanroom project for cooperation between us. Through observing the installation process and verifying the quality, the team highly praised our technical strength and service level in the field of clean environment construction, laying a solid foundation for further deepening cooperation. If you have any questions about the cleanroom project, please feel free to contact us at any time.